Somebody sing it with me.
In the early 2000s, Yahoo was one of the biggest internet companies in the world. But everything changed when the new competitors appear, Google. This is the story of how Yahoo collapsed and the lesson learned from ignoring innovation.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Think Google is growing fast. Anyone worried?
Worried? Not at all. We just need add some news and advertising for our homepage, and that will make the page more crowded and more visited by the people.
No, users don't want clutter. They want better technology. Our search engine is too slow.
Relax. Just make the homepage bigger. Bigger homepage, bigger success.
But Google search is faster. Maybe this is warning sign.
Honestly, Google giving me better result. If Yahoo doesn't improve, I'm switching.
It is offering to sell the company for 1 million. Should we buy it?
Yes, their search engine is better than ours. This is a huge opportunity.
No, their technology is not important. Yahoo is strong enough.
If you don't invest in innovation, user like me will leave.
We must focus on being fast, simple, and accurate. So that's what user want. Maybe we need to add more feature to attract some people.
No, features will not fit a slow system.
We will launch our new ad system, Panama, even if it's not ready.
Huh? But that's very risky.
Our share market is rolling. Advertising revenue is falling too.
Honestly, Yahoo is too messy and slow. Google works better.
We didn't expect Google to grow this fast.
Innovation wait for no one.
Breaking news. Yahoo value continues to decline as Google dominates the global market. Experts say Yahoo failed to innovate, ignored technological improvement, and lost users to faster competitors. Thank you.
We miss big opportunity, especially not acquiring Google.
User will always choose what works the best.
The lesson is clear. Innovation, speed, and strong leadership decisions are critical. If we don't improve, competitors will take our place.
Brand and ads are not enough without real innovation.
We should have focused on improving our search engine earlier.
And that is how a giant fell. Not because of the competition, but because it refused to change.